Welcome to my channel Flowers Art Shop UA. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process of packing a small painting, specifically a 7 by 5 inch. First, we start by measuring. So, this artwork is painted with Vampire acrylics on hardboard. This is painting of Shimoda Park in Japan. She is purchased on my Etsy store Flowers Art Shop UA. You can purchase my paintings through the links below. After to cut the packing paper. I fold the edges neatly. And add a "Made in Ukraine" sticker. Yes, I'm from Ukraine. Next, we carefully wrap the painting with stretch film for extra protection. I use special bubble-lined envelopes for shipping these small format paintings, ensuring they arrive safely. And that's it. Our package is ready to be shipped. Support my channel by subscribing and liking the video. Thank you.